OnePlus users, listen up. OnePlus dropped one of the biggest winning opportunity of the year. With the return of OnePlus Run 2.0, you now have a massive chance to win OnePlus hottest products, even like brand new OnePlus 15, OnePlus 15R, OnePlus Pad Go 2 and OnePlus Sling Bag. And the best part is you can win through individual ranking, team ranking and daily lucky draws. That too with 13 chances every day. So if you have ever wished to win a OnePlus device, this is your moment. I'll also provide a link in the description below. You can join my team too. But before talking about this guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So the legendary OnePlus Run is back now. Rebuilt with new graphics, new mechanism, unlimited attempts and a crazy prize pool including the OnePlus 15. 12 years ago, OnePlus started with a simple belief tech should be fast, fun and effortless. And to celebrate this spirit, they relaunched the most loved community game, upgraded from the ground up. So in this new version, you get unlimited daily game attempts, faster modern gameplay, solo or 12-member team mode, 13 daily draws, real-time leaderboard, and in total 96 prizes. See, the individual pricing is like if you are on the top 3, you get OnePlus 15. If your position is 4 to 8, you get OnePlus 15R. And if you're 9 to 12, you get OnePlus Pad Go 2. And the team competition is crazy. If you hit #1 globally and has 12 valid members, every member wins a 15R. Third thing is lucky draw, where you get 12 entries for completing 12 runs, 1 entry for sharing daily, and the prizes are 1 OnePlus 15R, 2 OnePlus Pad Go 2, and 3 OnePlus Sling Bags. And now let me tell you how to play this thing. It's not an application, you can directly play in the browser itself. Just use the URL given in the description below, log in with your OnePlus account and just play. You get real-time leaderboard updates. For the team mode, use the same link and towards the bottom side, you'll find an option to create a team, share the invite link, approve members and run together. A very simple game. It's kind of Subway Surfer, but a very modern one. And as I told you guys, you can join our team. I've given the link in the description below. Also, if you are not able to join our team, you can share your scores in the comment section and let's see who wins the limited Run Riser medal. So guys, that's all about OnePlus Run 2.0. Bigger, faster, cleaner and with a massive rewards. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.